There are two ways to get into Epic. One is if your teacher sends you an email to the parent's email giving you home access through an email. So if you get that email, it looks like this. The student's name is up at the top, and we press Sign Up Now. And it's saying get Epic free through June 30th. And all that it wants you to do is add an email and a password to create the account. And that email would then still be the parent email when you're doing it through the parent email that was sent. So I'm going to pause, put in the email that I have, and create a password. After I put in the same email that it was sent to and create my own password, it then comes up to this screen. Welcome to the leading digital library for kids. And you can use it on an iPhone, iPad, or Android, or on computers and laptops. If you're on a desktop or laptop, then you would follow this. And right now I'm on a laptop. If you need it to go to the Apple Store, there's an app for that. And if you need it for an Android device like a phone, then you can go ahead and go to Google Play to get the version that works for your device. So I'm going to go ahead and visit getepic.com. And I can choose the profile. So this is the email that I sent to myself. And then it comes in and it has things for you, comics, read to me videos, and audiobooks. Okay, so it really has a lot of different options that are here on Epic with the audiobooks, videos. I'm going to go ahead and just look at the biographies that are here. And do you know what? Helen Keller. In my class, we read about her earlier this year, and she's so inspiring. It's something that a number of people have read about. And if you go into all about Helen Keller, it says that it's, there you go, the age range is 9 to 12. V, that's kind of end of 5th grade. And then all you have to do is go ahead and move through the pages, and you can read the entire story right there on your screen.